Just wanna see the light.
Welcome back to short video on enumeration. In this video we will create a member variable of type enum which will hold the game state while playing. Before enum, we will ask the player to enter a password of different level when the player starts the game. Terminal.writeLine, enter your password. And also I will write terminal.writeLine, please enter a valid key here on else statement so that if the player press invalid key, then the information will be displayed on the terminal. Don't forget to put semicolon at the end of the statement. Now let's save our code on Visual Studio and jump back to Unity. Click on play icon to run our game. When I press 1 and hit enter, you can see that your level is 1 and enter your password is written at the terminal. Similarly, if I press invalid key, then it will write please enter a valid key at the terminal. Excellent. Now stop the game and return back to Visual Studio. Now we will create a member variable of type enum at the very top inside the class. Enum screen, main menu, password and win screen. In this enum screen, we are going to hold the three states of the game scene, that is main menu, waiting for password screen and win screen. Now we will declare a variable current screen of type screen. And by default we will set the current screen to screen.mainMenu. Now when our game will be start, in our start method, terminal is waiting for the password. So our game state here will be password and we will set the value of current screen to screen.password. Now I will save the code on Visual Studio and jump back to Unity. Play our game and see what's gonna happen. When I press 1 and hit enter, it's working. How did you guys get on? Comment below and I will meet you in the next lecture.